GCP Google Cloud Platform. Real-time scenario-based interview questions and answers for Google Cloud Platform, GCP, especially relevant for cloud engineers, DevOps. Engineers or cloud architects with 2 to 5+ years of experience. Part 1. Scenario 1. Migrating a legacy app to GCP. Question 1. Your company has a legacy application running on-premise. How would you migrate it to Google Cloud with minimal downtime? Answer. First, assess the current infrastructure and dependencies using. Migrate for compute engine or application discovery tools. Use Cloud VPN or interconnect to establish secure connectivity between on-prem and GCP. Perform data migration using transfer appliance or storage transfer service. Set up a staging environment in Compute Engine or GKE, the Google Kubernetes engine. Use Cloud Load Balancer and managed instance groups for high availability. Plan a blue-green deployment or canary rollout to minimize downtime. After testing, switch traffic to the cloud instance. Scenario 2. Cost optimization in GCP. Question 2. Your monthly GCP bill has increased. How do you identify and optimize costs? Answer. Use cloud billing reports and cost table reports to analyze spending. Identify idle resources using Recommender API. Set up budgets and alerts in cloud billing to avoid overspending. Use committed use discounts, CUDs, and sustained use discounts, SUDs. Delete unused persistent disks, snapshots, and IP addresses. Replace high-cost instances with preemptible VMS or smaller machine types. Use Cloud Functions or Cloud Run to avoid paying for idle server time. Scenario 3. GCP service outage. Question 3. One of your deployed services on GCP is suddenly unreachable. How would you troubleshoot? Answer. Check cloud monitoring and cloud logging for errors or alerts. Use uptime checks and alerts to confirm the service status. Verify IAM permissions and firewall rules. Inspect VPC routes and network tags. Check health checks of load balancer if involved. Review recent deployment history or code changes. Use Cloud CLI or Cloud Console to restart or redeploy the service. Scenario 4. Securing a GCP environment. Question 4. How do you ensure the security of a GCP project with multiple teams working on it? Answer. Use IAM roles, least privilege principle, to restrict access. Enable audit logs for tracking activities. Implement VPC service controls to reduce data exfiltration risks. Use organization policies to enforce constraints, example, restrict external IPS. Enforce 2FA for all users. Enable Cloud Armor for DDoS protection. Use customer-managed encryption keys, CMEK, for data security. Scenario 5. Choosing a storage option. Question 5. You need to store millions of images accessed globally with low latency. Which GCP storage option would you choose? Answer. Use cloud storage with multi-regional storage class for high availability. Enable Cloud CDN to cache content closer to users. Use signed URLs or IAM policies for secure access. Monitor access with cloud audit logs. Scenario 6. Continuous deployment on GKE. Question 6. How do you implement CI/CD for an application running on Google Kubernetes engine? Answer. Use cloud source repositories or GitHub for source code. Set up Cloud Build to create Docker images and push to artifact registry. Use Spinnaker or Cloud Deploy for CD pipeline. Define Kubernetes deployment files and apply via pipeline. Use canary deployments or rolling updates for zero downtime. Deployments. Monitor using cloud monitoring and set alerts. Scenario 7. Handling network latency. Question 7. Users in different continents are experiencing latency accessing your GCP-hosted app. How would you improve performance? Answer. Use global HTTPS load balancer with Cloud CDN. Store assets in cloud storage multi-regional buckets. Deploy back-end services in multiple regions, multi-region. Architecture. Use Network Intelligence Center to diagnose network issues. Enable TLS offloading to reduce back-end processing. Scenario 8. Automating infrastructure deployment. Question 8. How would you automate the provisioning of GCP resources? Answer. Use Terraform or Deployment Manager for IAC infrastructure as code. Define resources in .tf or .yaml files, VMS, VPC, firewall rules, etc. Store code in version control, example, GitHub. Use CI/CD to apply changes automatically. Test in a separate environment before production deployment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Stay tuned. See you again.